intersect in SQL. So we see intersect clause or operator here. What is intersect? Intersect clause or operator in SQL is used to combine two select statements. The result will be intersection of the two select statements. Then intersect query will return records that exist in both tables or which are common in both the tables. There must be same for intersect operator. There are certain rules or certain questions we have to take while preparing or while executing queries with intersect operator. There must be same number of expressions in both select statement. Then the corresponding expressions must have the same data type in both the select statements. Then return rows only from the first select statement that are identical to a row in the second select statement. Means the when we get the result, it is the first rows from first select statement. So we will see here first intersect result will get like this. When we use intersect operator or clause, the result will get like this. The set A means the table 1 or table first, then set B means the all the records in the table to B or table second, and the common records will get with the operator or intersect clause, intersect of A and B. Like this we will get result while we use intersect operator or clause. So first we create table, we create table actors which contains actor ID, actor name, actor last name. So we create first table, table is created. Actor ID, actor name, actor last name, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mel Gibson, Bruce Willis, Ben Stiller. Then second table, table second is of directors which contains director ID, director name, director last name. Now insert directors records. In first table, the actors Mel Gibson and Mel Gibson. Then Ben Stiller, Ben Stiller. So these two actors are directors in second table. So every time we must get both these two records as a result. So here actor table, here director table. So now we use intersect operator and see what will happen. We make some mistakes purposefully. Error. So first condition must be there. There must be same number of expressions in both select statements. So we take, if we select actor name, actors, this is first select query, second select query, actor name, here intersect operator. So we get the error. All queries combined using a union, intersect, or except operator must have an equal number of expressions in their target list. So here one data field from first table, here two data fields from second table. So we get the error. So we give actor name, actor last name, actors. Now we must get the result. So we get result Ben Stiller, Mel Gibson, Ben Stiller, Mel Gibson. When first Ben Stiller, this Ben Stiller is compared with this Ben Stiller, then second record with compare with second record Mel Gibson, this record with second. So this type of results we get. So if we try to actor name, then we copy the same query and try to execute the queries with different order. What's happened? We'll see what happens. So sequence of the first query, we have changed the sequence of first query. What will happen? So when we change the sequence, result will unable to get. So sequence, the two, there must be same number of fields. There must be same number of fields in both the queries, as well as order is also must be same. So if now if we try to execute the query with select star from actors and use intersect operator here, select star from directors, what will happen? Let's check. Array, we get only one record, but we have to get two records when we, because there now we, when we use select star, at that time id, actor name, then a director name, director, and their id, all the fields are in all proper order, and proper must they may be in proper order, and also the three fields must come in when we use star. But what happens, because of this we get the result. So in this case we can see here why we get this record. Here id is same, here id is same, but here for Ben id is different. So if we try to take this id, what will happen, we will check. Now id of Ben is 4, which query select star from actors and directors. So we get the same result. So in this condition id must be same. If we want to get result in that condition, id must be same. So the same result get. So look, this result will get. If we use star in the first statement and we use this full all fields, then the result will be same also. We try to select star from student, actor ID, actor name, actors. So but here id must be same in the tables. If we try to execute this result, when we take consider when we take id in the record, we must have the same. If we consider id, if we make the table as before, can see here. So while we use look, then only one result will get, because id is different in both the cases. If id will be same in that case only, but when we do not consider id, at that time we will get that. So this is important. So now we select, and last condition, first select statement are identical only the must have same data type. Hmm? Must have expression must have same data type in both the select statement. If we take actor id, actor name, from actors, intersect, select, actor, director. So this error will get conversion failed when converting the varchar ben to data type int. So when in this condition, this ben is compared with this id, because we have taken actor id, and here we taken actor name. So data types, even though there are order is same, then the numbers are also same, but data type are mismatching, so we have to take same data type in same order. What happening? Select actor name, actor, okay, director name. Oh look, there's I have taken actor name two times. This is also getting error. Okay, actor last name when okay, but we can see here actor name and actor last name means what happens in when we use intersect clause or operator. At that time, return rows only from the first select statement that are identical to a row in a second selection. Means these are the result from the first select statement, means actor table. The actor table row, these are the rows from the actor table actually. So actor name and actor last name heading we can see here. And but the sequence, because sequence is like that, because we get first this table is comparing this table. At first this Ben is considered, so Ben is, we will get Ben first, then compare with this male, then we get this male, but the result set is from actor name and actor last name. So here we get actor name and actor last name. Like this way intersect operator is performing its task. So we have to take care that there must be same number of data fields in the both the queries, then order must be same, then data type must be same, and so if we consider id at that time id must be same or we'll not get the same result like we expect. So this we have to take care of these things while using intersect, and we get the common rows from both the tables with the help of intersect operator. Thank you.